Feeling stressed or overwhelmed? Just 5 minutes of meditation a day can help calm your mind, reduce stress, improve focus, and boost emotional well-being. Take a deep breath and give your mind the reset it deserves.
Welcome, 4 Minutes Guided Meditation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your hands to rest naturally and gently soften your gaze, or close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Take a moment to simply arrive here. Begin by bringing awareness to the sounds around you. Notice any sounds in the distance and any sounds nearby. Perhaps you hear the hum of traffic, birds singing, the breeze, or other gentle sounds in your environment. There is no need to label or judge these sounds. Simply notice them. Now, gently shift your awareness to your body. Notice the points where your body makes contact with the chair, floor, or bed beneath you. Observe any sensations that are present right now. Perhaps you notice areas of tension, tightness, or discomfort. You may also notice areas of softness, ease, or relaxation. Whatever you find, simply observe it with curiosity. Allow your shoulders to soften and relax away from your ears. Relax your jaw. Soften your hands and fingertips. Release any tension in your legs and feet. Give yourself permission to settle into this moment. Now bring your attention to your breath. There is no need to change anything yet. Simply observe the natural rhythm of your breathing. Notice the air entering and leaving your body. Notice where you feel the breath most clearly, perhaps in the nostrils, the chest, or the belly. Just observe. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your belly to expand. Pause briefly, and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Again, inhale deeply through the nose, filling the belly with air, and exhale gently through the mouth, releasing and relaxing. One more time. Inhale deeply, and exhale completely. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. As you continue breathing naturally, bring awareness to your thoughts. Notice any thoughts that may be passing through your mind. There is no need to stop them or change them. Imagine each thought as a cloud drifting across the sky. Simply observe. When a thought appears, acknowledge it and allow it to pass. No judgment, no analysis, just awareness. If you notice that your attention has wandered, gently guide it back to your breath. The breath is your anchor. Each inhale brings you into the present moment. Each exhale helps you let go. Continue breathing naturally, feeling calm, feeling grounded, feeling present. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale. As this meditation comes to an end, begin to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Notice the sounds around you once again. Notice how your body feels. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm, awareness, and presence with you throughout the rest of your day. Thank you for taking these moments for yourself.